Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a what's in my work bag video. So I did a regular what's in my bag video, like what's in my purse, about a month ago, and that was really fun, and it seemed like you guys liked it because it did pretty well. So then I got to thinking, and I'm like, well, I have a work bag that travels with me Monday through Friday. There's a lot of random crap in it, so why don't I do a what's in my work bag video and share with you guys what's in it. Some of this stuff I don't even know what's in it because I don't like switch out things or clean it out as often. I just go to work, come home, put stuff in it, and just, yeah. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to find out what is in my work bag, because I don't even know, then just keep watching. So most of you guys know I have a full-time job, so when I'm going to work, I like to have a separate bag to put just things that I don't want in my purse. And I probably couldn't fit like everything in my purse, so it's just great to have a second bag, especially in the winter time, like if I need to put scarves and, you know, mittens or gloves or, you know, my lunch, because I don't like to put my lunch in my purse because sometimes my lunch can be big and take up room. So that's why I like to have a separate bag, and currently it is just like a random leftover purse that I have. This is Couture Tote. It's really cute and I really like it, and it's pretty big, so I'm like, you know what, we'll just use this as a work bag. That's the back of it. It's just plain, and I love it because it's got the gold detail and it's got like a pink lining, which I love. And honestly, you guys, I think I got this at Kohl's like a year or two ago for like $30 or $40. But before I get into what's in this, do you guys remember when they had like the Couture Tote stores and the Couture Tote outlets? I used to love them before they were bought out. I think they were bought out by Kohl's, but I used to love going there, and I used to love buying Couture Tote purses, and I don't know, do you guys remember that? Let me know if you guys remember when they had like if you would go to like the major outlets, they'd have like a Couture Tote store. I loved that, and like their, you know, their little like zipper up velour suits and everything like that, and their wallets. I used to be obsessed. But anyways, those were the olden days, and you know, now they're just selling at Kohl's. But I figured I'd mention like this purse was pretty inexpensive. Okay, so I'm gonna start just randomly pulling stuff out of here. So first off, I have this little like notebook. I think I got it at like some conference or whatever. But what I like to like write down in here is video ideas. Like I have a whole bunch of you know, ideas that I want to film, like ideas for videos that I would like to film. I have it all listed there. You know, when I'm bored, I'm brainstorming, and I write it down in here. And then sometimes I like, you know, kind of, if I want to write down my thoughts for the day, or, you know, try to think positively, I'll write it down in here as well, especially Monday through Friday when I'm at work, because, you know, sometimes it's kind of hard to stay positive. But anyways, so yeah, we have my little random notebook, so I can just throw or write things down whenever I need to. Okay, so yeah, we got some Subway coupons. So we have like I think it's like a monthly flyer thingy. It's not really a newspaper, but usually they'll include coupons for the month for Subway. So I like to put this in my work bag because there is a Subway. It's like a 5-minute walk from my work, and occasionally I'll like to go and get Subway, but I only like to go with the coupons. So they've got the $2.99 6-inch. That's the coupon I gravitate toward. So there's probably like 1 or 2 of those on this. Okay, so they have a $2.99 6-inch, and then they have a $3.49 6-inch, if you guys can see right there. And then also, you know, I just leave them at work. I'm like, you know, like we have like a community board where we'll put all coupons. If any of my other coworkers want to, you know, use a Subway coupon, that's what these are for. So next we have a water bottle. So every day before I embark on my journey home, which can be anywhere from 45 minutes to over an hour, depending on traffic. It's just, there's always traffic. People don't know how to drive, and yeah. So anyways, I like to fill up my water bottle and bring water with me just in case I don't know how long I'm gonna be sitting in my car. So this is my water for the day, and I believe there's a little bit of lemon that I squeezed in this. So yeah, we have a random water bottle, and you can't go wrong with having an umbrella. This comes in handy, and this is a Coach umbrella. And I've had this, you guys, like, I'll like open it up. I'm not gonna like completely open it up, but I'll like, you know, so you guys can see. I've had this umbrella, you guys, I wanna say maybe over 10 years. Like, I'm not joking when I say that. I got this at the Coach outlet like a long time ago, and it's a really good umbrella. Like, it's pretty durable. I don't think it's ever inverted on me before, so it's pretty sturdy and durable. I mean, like, you know, you can see like it's kind of chipping right there. I don't know if it's gonna like pick up on camera, but yeah, this umbrella's been pretty good. So an umbrella, definitely need it because I have to walk like 5 minutes into work each day. So, you know, you never know what the weather's going to be like. So this is, I don't know if this is like gross or whatever, but we have a Tupperware container. I like to bring my lately I've been bringing my own lunch to work again instead of trying to buy it, because even like they have a salad bar at my work, and you know, I spend like anywhere where it's like a make your own salad bar, and I'll spend anywhere from like $3 to $4 a day. But if you multiply that by 5, that's anywhere from like $15 to $20 a week, and that adds up. So I'm like, you know what, let me just start bringing my own lunch again. So I put some spinach in here and like chicken patty and all that and heat it up, and it's kind of gross and needs to go in my dishwasher. So we have a Tupperware. Okay, so we have a Tresemme hairspray, and this is like crazy because this used to be my go-to hairspray from like years ago, and I think that this is like a few years old by the looks of the bottle because it's like fading in some places. But this is the Trace 2 spray, because you never know when you're gonna need hairspray. You just never know. I don't know. So I thought it'd be a good idea to put in my work bag. I found some Kleenex. You guys, I think I've had these between whatever like work bag I've switched out of. These have got to be like maybe like 4 years old, and there's still some tissues left. But you know, you never know when you're gonna need tissues. So I've got some tissues in there. And then we've got some nails. Okay, so you guys know that I do glue-on nails. You know, I used to go to the salon and get them done, but it's just, I just don't like sitting there for like almost an hour. I just don't like it. I feel like I'm wasting my time, and then you gotta sit and let them dry, and then I've like messed them up a million times on my way out the door or whatever, and you gotta do it like every 2 to 3 weeks. And you know, when I get home from work like Monday through Friday, like I don't have time to be going and doing all that. You know, I just like to stay home. So I do my own nails in a nutshell. I do glue-ons. They work well for me. Lately, what I've been trying to do too is, instead of buying 1 box of glue-ons, I'll try to get 2 weeks or 2 wears of the nails, using just like, you know, there's enough nails in here to cover, you know, 2 weeks. I like to, you know, put a new set on every week. So typically what I used to do is just buy 1 box a week, and now I'm trying to do 1 box for every 2 weeks. And again, you know, that can save some money. So this is the leftover that I will be using for this coming week. So I like to put them in my work bag just in case, you know, on my lunch break or whatever, if I want to put some fresh nails on. And then we have a fragrance mist, and this is, I'd say this has got to be like maybe 6 years old, 5 years old. It's Velvet Sugar. This is not carried at Bath & Body Works anymore. It is only online. It's considered like a retired scent or a retired fragrance, which I don't know why they retired it, because I still love it. I have the body lotion and I use it all the time. It's a really nice scent. So I got this years ago and I stuck it in my bag because, again, you know, you never know. Like I might need to, like, you know, put some on, smell good, or need to make something smell good. So yeah, and this bottle's lasted me like 6 years. It's, you know, pretty banged up, but you know what? You never know. Okay, so the next thing I thought I had in my regular purse, my mom actually gave it to me like a week or 2 ago, and I don't even know how it ended up in here, but it's pretty much like a pamphlet for taking the Florida Tri-Rail. So half the year, my parents live in Florida, and they're retired, so they can do that. They live in New York when it's nice out, and then this time of year they go down to Florida, and you know, I'm so jealous of them. But anyways, in February we are taking our trip down to see them. So my mom's like, you know, instead of us having to, you know, drive to Fort Lauderdale and pick you up from the airport, you guys should take the Tri-Rail. It's super easy. So she gave me this pamphlet with all like the schedule of, you know, with the times for everything going north and south or whatever. So yeah, this just randomly ended up in my work bag, but I have to put this back in my purse. Now we're getting into like the odds and ends in the bottom of my bag that like I wouldn't even know was in here. Like for example, we have a Biore, if I'm saying that correctly, nose strip. I don't know how this even got in here, why this would even be in here. It's not like I would like do this at work. I have makeup on when I'm at work, so yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep this out and put this back in my bathroom because I do use these. These are the black charcoal ones too. It's not like they're the white clear ones. So when you take these off, they like leave black residue. So like, I don't know, you know, yeah, don't know, random. I've got to put that in my bathroom. Just really don't even know. Okay, so there's a random bottle cap in my work bag, and I can tell you why it's in here, I'm pretty sure. So my cats love bottle caps. They love to play with them, and like, you know, if you were to go under couches in our house, you'd probably find a million of these. They will play with them until they can't find them anymore, can't get to them. So last night I was throwing a bottle cap around, and this morning I was like, I wonder where it went. And I keep my work bag and my purse just like in my living room on the floor. So this must have somehow landed into my purse when I was throwing it, or my cat, you know, one of my cats probably like, you know, swatted it into my work bag. So I'm pretty sure that's how this random bottle cap got into my bag. Now we're getting into like some random papers. And this one, okay, so I recently started volunteering again at the Benson's Pet Center near me about like 3 or 4 years ago. I used to volunteer. They have like a cat room, and they have, you know, for people to adopt out cats. And there's a separate organization that, like, you know, runs it, and, you know, the cats belong to or whatever. And then Benson's kind of just steps in and, you know, on a daily basis, like, takes care of the cats, does the food and, you know, the litter boxes or whatever. So I started volunteering there again. It's cool because they'll have anywhere from like 3 to like 6 or 7 cats in this room at one time. And there's windows that lead into the store. So it's really cool. And I can just go there and hang out with the cats. And, you know, I can do it whenever I want. It's really great. And you guys, like, I could stay there for, I don't even know, hours. Time goes by so quick. And this is no offense to any of you guys, but I know some of you guys can probably relate to me. I like cats more than people, and I just love being around them. I love playing with them, especially the shy ones. You know, I like to try to get them to warm up or whatever to me. And yeah, so to make a long story short, because I could just talk about cats all day, I had to fill out like a volunteer form, and I was supposed to like turn it in, but maybe she didn't make me because she knew me from a few years back. So this is just like the volunteer form, the paperwork or whatever with my information on it. So next time I volunteer, like I think I was planning on doing it on Veterans Day because I have off from work. I'll have to hand that in. I didn't even know it was in here. Hence, you know, why I'm doing this video. And then we have one more piece of paper. Yeah, this is, okay, so this has been in my purse since I want to say June. So like, you know, 6 months or so. And this is reminding me that my next OBGYN appointment is on June 20th, 2019 at 2:30. So this should probably, you know, get transferred into like my phone so I don't have to carry it around, or I don't forget, because like I didn't even know I had this in here. And I know they gave this to me at my last appointment, which was in June of 2018. So yeah. Now you guys all know when my next annual OBGYN appointment was, but hey, we're all women. We all gotta go for our annuals. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. There's not much else more in here. There's like nothing else. I'm actually like shocked because I thought there was gonna be some other like odds and ends. I did switch my work bag, I wanna say like 6 months ago, but I just like pretty much threw everything into this one. I did have a bigger one at one point, but do you guys have work bags? I mean, I'm just calling it a work bag because I bring it to work and it's separate from my purse, but do you guys have work bags? And if you do, like, what do you keep in them? Do you keep anything like similar to like what I have, or do you have like other things? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.